Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get deviled eggs in break-in. First, let's perfectly hard boil our eggs. Place 6 to 12 large eggs in a saucepan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove it from the heat. Cover the pan and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes. This ensures a firm, yellow yolk. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to cool completely, making them easier to peel. Now that our eggs are perfectly hard-boiled and cooled, it's time to prepare the delicious filling. Carefully peel each egg, then slice them in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Use a fork to mash the yolks until they are completely smooth and free of lumps. Then, stir in about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of your favorite mustard, and a small pinch of salt for flavor. With our creamy yolk mixture ready, let's assemble these delightful deviled eggs. Give the yolk mixture a final stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined and smooth. You can use a small spoon to carefully fill each egg white half, or for more elegant presentation, pipe the mixture using a pastry bag. Make sure each half is generously filled, creating a beautiful mound of deliciousness. Arrange them neatly on your favorite serving platter. To finish our easy deviled eggs, let's add some final touches. A light dusting of paprika over each egg adds a lovely pop of color and a hint of flavor. For an extra touch of freshness, you might sprinkle some finely chopped fresh chives or parsley. Once garnished, chill your deviled eggs in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve these timeless treats as a fantastic appetizer or a delightful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.